Hagashitarik mentau benain opera Arhajar Arpuwe, rengkat bat setelah kepertai, haganigeri India jengiru laraki kerpang ya ke World AIDS Day, kum kasngi banalap skinong shong kari helor ke jingma na uknyang jingpang HIV. Hagani kejela Meghalaya ru la saki ya kini kejing rakhe, kabala penlong, hagani kenong bak shilong. Hagani kasngi hagani kenong bak shilong laraki ya ke World AIDS Day, daga Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. Daga ba penlong ya kejing elang, bat kejing ya pat ba hakaleng kenong ba shilong. Hagani kesini lah sedang ya kejing rakyat daga kejing elang pat ba kebelengkot Hamadan Malki. Hagabalayok jingkran kerpang na ke Project Director Jangka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Dr. R. Alia. Ibeli itu ba kumba kelong mentah hagajela Meghalaya kat kum kejingken Jangka National AIDS Control Organization kidan kumba katwe hajar ngut kibreu ba em bat kunyang jingpang HIV. Hagaba bona pedeng jangki kimpat don jing tip halor kene kejingpang batang ke beladap register bat ke Meghalaya AIDS Control Society ru kidan hendreu hajar ngut. Batna kini ars pangut kidigi kena kibalayo ikunyang jingpang HIV. I Dr. Alia liatu bakini ke jingpang kala sutiet menta lakum basau posnem. Bat kala long ka klam ka bajarjar kabala sar ke jingim jangki babun. Kumta kalong ka kamram jongi iwei banyalap skinong shnong halor ke jingma jong kunyang jingpang. Hadian ke jingelang hakini ke singi lapen bot pat sa ke jingyat pat ba hagabalay shim benta di ginong shnong nakaleng ke jela nagabara ru ikplakat Ibalatho ibabun kijing tho ban penbena halor kejingma uknyang jingpang HIV. Hagani kejingya pat ba nalor ki tuk bat diskuti lapen inam ru kali hindai kebelawan ra daki riu iet kali rem nakeleng kejela.
We all think that HIV is very contagious, is very infectious, but no. I just want to stress here today that HIV spreads only there are only 4 modes of transmission. The number 1 is sexual mode with an infected person. Number 2 is the use of infected needles, and this is most common in the injecting drug users. Number 3 is infected blood and blood products, and the last one is from an infected mother to her unborn child, either during a pregnancy or even during delivery or even breastfeeding. I want to stress here that HIV does not spread through by hugging or by shaking hands or sharing of utensils or talking to each other. And it is a fact that HIV is also a pandemic which has become silent nowadays. With COVID, with all of us are focused on COVID, we tend to forget that HIV is a pandemic and it has been there for 40 years. In our state, there is a steady rise of HIV, and now we have more than 5,000 people who have been registered into our programs. That means who are infected with HIV. But there are still a very huge number who are infected but who did not come for testing, and we do not know their status. Why they do not come forward is because they are scared of the stigma, the discrimination, and the inequality which they may have to face if people come to know about their status. Please remember that being infected with HIV or having AIDS is like any other illness. Of course, there is no cure for AIDS, but if a person is infected with HIV, and if they take the treatment regularly, which we call ART, they can live a healthy life.